Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Muslim friend, welcome to this channel, where we share Islamic knowledge and inspiration. Today we will discuss an extraordinary phenomenon that is shocking the world. After the big fire that hit Los Angeles, many Americans found the light of Islam. How can this event happen? Check out this video until the end. A big fire hit Los Angeles some time ago. Hundreds of houses were scorched, thousands of people lost their homes. Many experienced trauma and confusion. In the midst of this ordeal, there was something unexpected. Many victims began to question the meaning of life and seek inner peace. Disasters are often a turning point for many people. After losing property, they began to reflect on their lives. This is where many Los Angeles residents began to be interested in Islam. They met with the Muslim community, who helped them unconditionally. One said, "I lost everything, but when I met Muslims at the help center, I felt there was a peace that I had never felt before," said a former Christian who now converted to Islam. The person beside him also said, "Islam teaches patience and fortitude in the face of disaster. I learned that everything that happened was wisdom," said another American. The Muslim community in Los Angeles moves quickly to help the victims of the fire. They opened the mosque as a shelter, provide free food and psychological support. Many non-Muslim residents, who initially only wanted to get help, were finally interested in studying Islam more deeply. We do not discriminate against religion. Islam teaches us to help anyone in need. From this, many are starting to be interested in the teachings of Islam. Shows an increase in the number of converts in America. The search for Islam on Google increased dramatically. Mosques are full of people who want to learn about Islam. I never thought of converting to Islam, but after talking to Muslims, I realized that Islam was a religion full of peace, said a new convert. From this event, we can take wisdom that disaster can be a way of hidayah for many people. As Muslims, we are taught to always help others regardless of religion. That is what makes Islam increasingly accepted in various parts of the world. Al-Quran, Al-Baqarah verses, page 216 said, "You may hate something, even though it's good for you. And you may like something, even though it's bad for you. God knows, while you don't know." Muslim friends, this story is proof that God's guidance can come at any time and to anyone. Don't forget to always do good and be a good example for others. Hopefully this video is useful. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that more people will benefit. See you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.